Hey everyone, this is Sean Ray, and today we're at 2641 Dotson. Let's see what just over $400,000 will get you in Garland, Texas. Let's come take a look. So this property was created by CB Jenny Townhomes over in Garland, Texas. And it's a really great opportunity for someone that's wanting to be in a nicer, more designed, pre-planned area. And you don't have to spend all the money that you'd have to spend on a single detached home with all your privacy and space as much. If you're trying to save some money, you get into these townhomes and be surrounded by all these beautiful townhomes that you don't have to pay an arm and leg for. With it being only a little over $400,000, then for a new person to come in here with a 3% down loan, you're talking about just around $12,000 for a down payment, and you can get yourself a nice new townhome. And so what I really like about this is that, yes, it's standard to have the countertops in your typical new builds nowadays, but what's not as standard is having this really open kitchen design. Instead of having like a galley, really enclosed space that's going to make you feel claustrophobic, it allows everything to be really wide open. It flows into the living room, flows into the dining room, and you're able to wash your dishes separately from where you're cooking. So you can focus on the gas stove over here for all you cooks that really love cooking. Gas stove is a must. And then when you're done, you have two separate sinks. That way you can wash and then dry it, and you don't have to worry about the mess. If you want to not have to keep your trash out in the public and everyone sees your trash, which is gross, they also have a hidden trash as well. And then last thing I want to really bring up in this kitchen is how much space there's in the pantry. So the kitchen is that wide open kitchen like I told you about that flows in the dining room, but it also offers you this extra space over here, which I'm not sure quite what to do with. I would personally turn it into like a mobile office, but they decided to turn it into a mobile bar cart area. And so if you have friends over and you're trying to entertain, it's really nice to have the option to just turn this entire area into a nice entertainment area. What's nice about this is right now, if you purchase it in the month of October, you have this whole area to yourself. Eventually, this is going to be more townhomes that are going to be sharing this area, but as of right now, you have this old perfect backyard just for yourself. Backyard of rocks. So the upstairs is mainly going to be a living area, so we're not going to see that tile design that we see downstairs to the floor, but instead we're going to see the carpet. So if you want to take your shoes off before you come upstairs, it's a lot more comfortable, just kind of walk around barefoot. You can turn this into an entertainment area, an area for you to put a pool table, whatever it is you can imagine. So on the way over into the master bedroom, you have yourself this extra storage here that is really good for kind of linens and towels, and they use it for extra pillows as well. And so it's really nice, like I said earlier, just to have so much storage. And then over here, you're going to have your laundry room as well. Okay, so I just walked into the master bedroom, but before we show you that part, I got to show you this. I mean, look at how far away I am. I could turn this into like an archery range, like a gun range, because we're over in Texas. This is such a huge closet. And then his and hers, I mean, she has this entire area, he has this entire area, and you don't have to worry about lack for anything. And look at all, you can have 100 shoes and still not fill this thing up. All right, let's check out the rest of the master bedroom. So perspective, I want to make sure that you understand this is a huge, huge king bed. I mean, if I was a giant, I still would look small in this bed, and it still is small in this room. This room is massive. On each side of this, we have a lot of space for you to do all sorts of activities. So what I really like about this bathroom is that it causes no sorts of contention or whose sink is what. Not only do you have dual sinks, but you have one person on one side and one person on the other side. That way they can have all their makeup or personal items on one side and not conflicting with other people's personal items. You keep your side clean, I keep my side clean. No more arguments in this bathroom. But also what I love about this bathroom is that it has one of my favorite things in a stand-up shower, which is an area to sit. Now, I don't know if you guys have ever had the situation to where you might not be feeling the best that day. Sometimes it's good just to sit down in the shower and just relax and let the water hit you and just get ready for the day in the slowest possible way that you humanly can. So there's going to be some extra storage here in the bathroom for any kind of personal items and goods that you can't fit in all the storage spaces here in the rest of the bathroom, because there's a lot of cabinets in the bathroom. And lastly, you're going to have what I like to call the meditation room. And this is a private commode that you don't have to worry about if someone is changing or getting ready or taking a shower while you meditate. So these are the last two rooms of the house, and the bathroom. This bathroom is going to be a stand-up shower, but it's also going to be an option for a bath, and it has a single sink. And then these two rooms are going to be probably the same size for someone if they want to have maybe 2 kids. Right now there's a queen size bed in here, but it probably fits best maybe a twin or a full. And the same thing is going to be for the last bedroom in the house as well. Again, my name is Sean Ray, and I really appreciate you guys coming and checking out this video and this house off Dawson Street in Garland, Texas. It is just over 2,000 square foot and just over $400,000 for a townhome in a really cool area with really cool amenities. And they even take care of all your grass and your plants and everything out front to make sure your house is always beautiful and you have to do as little as possible. I'll see you guys in the next video.